Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to turn on autoplay on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Whether you enjoy watching videos that start playing automatically as you scroll, or just want to make your feed a little more interactive, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll see your home feed, but what we're looking for is the menu icon. It's the three horizontal lines, often found in the bottom right corner on iPhones or the top right corner on Android devices. Go ahead and tap that menu icon. Next, scroll down until you see the option for Settings and Privacy. Tap it once, and then choose Settings from the drop-down list. This will take you to a page filled with various preferences related to your Facebook account. From there, scroll down toward the section labeled Media and tap it. The media settings control how photos, videos, and other media behave inside the Facebook app, including your autoplay preferences. Now, under the autoplay section, you'll see several options. To turn on autoplay, you can choose either on mobile data and Wi-Fi connections or on Wi-Fi only. If you pick the first option, videos will automatically play whether you're using cellular data or connected to Wi-Fi. If you select the second, videos will autoplay only when you're on Wi-Fi, saving you from extra data usage. After you've made your choice, you can exit the settings. Your changes will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully turned on autoplay for videos on Facebook. The next time you scroll through your feed, videos will start playing automatically based on the setting you picked. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need a hand adjusting their Facebook settings. Thanks for watching.